Welcome to Walks English Academy Chaudhra. Welcome back to episode 16 of our idioms and expression series. In our 15th episode, we learned 16 useful idioms and expressions with the word bad. Today, we are moving on to another interesting word and learning 10 idioms and expressions containing the word bite. Before we begin with our first idiom, let me first tell you the literal meaning of the word bite and then explain how its meaning changes when it is used in idiomatic expressions. What does bite mean? The word bite literally means to use your teeth to cut, grip or tear something. Urdu Hindi meaning, दांत से काटना या पकड़ना. Example sentence, the dog bit the man. So this is a normal meaning of, or the literal meaning of this word bite. But when bite is used in an idiom or expression, its meaning can change completely. So let us learn these expressions one by one. Let us begin with the first one, bite someone's head off. Meaning to respond to someone very angrily. उर्दू हिंदी मीनिंग किसी पर बहुत गुस्सा करना, गुस्से में सख्ती से बात करना. Example sentence, I only asked her a simple question, but she bit my head off. Number 2, a bite at the cherry. Meaning a chance or opportunity to do or achieve something. उर्दू हिंदी मीनिंग किसी काम को करने या कामयाबी हासिल करने का एक मौका. Example sentence, this interview is my second bite at the cherry, so I must prepare well. Number 3, bite the big one. To die or in some contexts to fail badly. Urdu Hindi meaning mar jana ya buri tarah naakam hona. Example sentence, the old machine finally bit the big one and stopped working. 4, bite the bullet. Meaning to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage. Urdu Hindi meaning mushkil ya nakhushgawar surat hal ka himmat se samna karna. Example sentence, I didn't want to apologize, but I decided to bite the bullet and say sorry. Number 5, bite the dust. To fail, be defeated or die. Urdu Hindi meaning नाकाम होना या शिकस्त खाना या मर जाना. Example sentence, our team fought hard but unfortunately we beat the dust in the final. Number 6, bite the hand that feeds you. Meaning to harm or treat badly someone who helps or supports you. उर्दू हिंदी मीनिंग अपने मोहसिन को नुकसान पहुंचाना, जो मदद करे इसके साथ बुरा सलूक करना. Example sentence, you shouldn't bite the hand that feeds you by insulting your employer. Number 7, bite off more than you can chew. Meaning to take on more responsibility or work than you can manage. Urdu Hindi meaning, अपनी जिम्मेदारी से ज़्यादा या काम ले लेना. Example sentence, by taking 3 courses at the same time, he bit off more than he could chew. Number 8, bite your tongue. Meaning to stop yourself from saying something, especially something inappropriate or rude. उर्दू हिंदी मीनिंग अपनी जात रोक लेना, कुछ कहने से खुद को रोकना. Example sentence, I want to tell him what I really thought, but I bit my tongue. Number 9, put the bite on someone. Meaning to ask or pressure someone for money. Meaning किससे पैसे मांगने के लिए दबाव डालना. Example sentence, my brother put the bite on me for some money to repair his car. Number 10, take a bite out of something. Meaning to reduce or degrade something significantly, especially money, costs or profits. Urdu meaning किसी चीज को खास हद तक कम कर देना या खास तौर पर रकम या मुनाफा में कमी करना. Example sentence, the rising cost of fuel has taken a bite out of our profits. And with this, we come to the end of episode 16 of our idioms and expression series. I hope these expressions have added some new and useful words to our English vocabulary. Remember, learning idioms is not just about memorizing their meaning. Try to use them in your everyday expressions and writing. That is how you can make your English more natural, fluent, and expressive. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Walks English Academy Chaudhra. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English. This is Walks English Academy Chaudhra, helping you speak English with confidence. Thank you for watching and see you in episode 17.